In part 1 of our Exploratory Data Analysis series, we explored the foundations, loading datasets, handling missing values, and performing univariate analysis. Now, let's take it a step further with bivariate and multivariate analysis, where we uncover relationships between variables. Let's get started. Bivariate analysis helps us understand how two variables relate to each other. Let's dive in with scatter plots and correlation matrices using our dataset. This scatter plot reveals the relationship between age and spending score. You can identify trends, like whether younger individuals tend to spend more. The correlation matrix shows how numerical variables in our dataset are related. For instance, here we might observe a positive or negative correlation between income and spending score. To analyze how categorical variables like education level influence numerical variables, box plots are an excellent tool. Let's explore this using our sample dataset. This box plot shows the distribution of spending scores for each education level, making it easier to spot patterns or outliers. Multivariate analysis considers 3 or more variables to reveal complex relationships. Using dataset, let's see how variables like age, income, and education interact. Pair plots are fantastic for visualizing relationships between multiple variables. Here, we can observe trends by education level across all numerical columns. To summarize, we analyzed relationships between numerical variables with scatter plots and correlation matrices, explored how categorical variables influence numerical ones using box plots, unveiled multivariate relationships with pair plots. These techniques empower you to uncover deeper insights and drive better decisions.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
This series is powered by the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel, your trusted source for mastering data analytics and beyond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next video.